Welcome back to day 2 of JavaScript. In day 1, we learned how to store values using variables. So today we will understand what type of values JavaScript works with, how JavaScript changes data types, and how JavaScript performs actions using operators. So, what is data? First, let us understand in one simple word about data. Data means information. A name is data, a number is data, even true or false is data. JavaScript works with data, so it needs to know what kind of data it is handling. So, data types. JavaScript has different data types. Today, we will focus on the most common ones: string, number, boolean, undefined, and null. You don't need to memorize, just understand. String. A string is text. Anything written inside quotes is a string. Let me go to the VS Code and I'll show. Console.log. In my previous video, I already told about what is console log. So, console log hello. If I give this, you can see hello is printed. So, as I said, anything written inside quotes is a string. That's why strings behave differently. This is a text. JavaScript treats it as a text. I hope you understood. Now, number. A number is numeric data. I'll show it. Now, if I write console.log 10, yeah, then you can see 10 is printed. So, basically, it can be a whole number or a decimal. See, if I give in case instead of 10, if I give 3.14, and you can check now, 3.14 is printed. And you already know that JavaScript can calculate numbers. If you want, I can show that too. If I give 10 plus 5, I know you all can guess what the output is. Yes, 10 plus 5 is 15. So this gives 15. Now, Boolean. So a Boolean has only two values, either true or false. JavaScript uses Booleans to make decisions. So I'll show. If in console.log, if I put 10 greater than 5, what it might return? Yeah, you all know 10 is greater than 5, right? So it should return true. So definitely it will return true. So if I check it, it is true. So this is how JavaScript decides what to do. Now, yeah, undefined. Undefined means a value is not assigned yet. See, if I write like, see, in case, let me put let x, and then if I put console dot log x, then if I execute it, we will get here. You can see it. It is undefined. So we created a variable, but we didn't give it a value. So JavaScript says it is undefined. Now null. Null means intentionally empty. See, if I put let x is equal to null, then you can see here it shows null. So we are telling JavaScript this value is empty on purpose. I hope you understood about undefined and null. Now, what is type conversion? So this is something very important about type conversion. Type conversion means changing one data type into another. JavaScript sometimes does this automatically and sometimes we do it manually. Let's see automatic type conversion. So if I put console.log phi in quotes, you all know if I put something inside quotes, then it behaves as a string. So if I put 5 plus 2 and if I run the code, then it gives 52. Here JavaScript treats 5 as a text. So the result becomes 52. Now you all know the string concatenation, right? Now let me tell about instead of plus I will use minus. So if I execute this, it gave 3. Here JavaScript converts the string into a number. I hope you understood now. Now let me speak about manual type conversion. We can also convert types manually. See, if I give console.log number and then if I give 5, so basically if I write like this, this gives us control and avoids confusion. Now, type of operator. To check the type of data, we use type of. See, if in console.log, if I give type of, sorry, then you can see it is a string. Now, if I give console.log type of, then I'm sure can you guess this? What the output is? I'm sure you can guess this, right? Yes. Let me check whether you guessed it right or wrong. Yes, it's a number. Now, if I check console.log and type of true, then this should give me, yes, this should give me Boolean. Let me check. Yes. So this helps us understand what JavaScript is saying. Operators. Now let's talk about operators. Operators are the symbol that perform actions. JavaScript uses operators to calculate, compare and think. arithmetic operators. These operators do calculation. If I want to show you console.log 10 plus 5, then 10 minus 5, 10 multiplied by 5, 10 divided by 5. Now you got 10 plus 5 is 15, 10 minus 5 is 5, 10 into 5 is 50, 10 by 5 is 2. So these are basic math operations. Now comparison operators compare values. Now if I do, see, if I give console.log 10 greater than 5, 10 equal to 5, 10 less than 5. See, you all know the result is always true or false. So 10 greater than 5, it should give what? Yeah, I hope you all, can you please guess everyone what the output will be? 10 greater than 5, 10 equal to 5 and 10 less than 5. And let me check whether you guessed it right or wrong. Yes, you all know 10 greater than 5. It is true. 10 equal to 5. That is false. 10 less than 5. That is also false. Now, logical operators. Logical operators combine conditions. See, this is about combining the conditions. If I give console.log true and false, then true or false. And then not true. So this is basically console.log true and false, console.log true or false, console.log not true. So the output should be, see, true and false, that is definitely gives false, and true or false, that is definitely will give true, and not true is false. So these are used when JavaScript makes decisions. Yeah, now it's a simple example. Let's connect everything together. See, if I give let age equal to 18, console dot log age greater than or equal to 18, yes, you can see let age equal to 18, console dot log age is greater than or equal to 18. This should return true because the condition is satisfied. If you want, let me check it. See, it returned true. So now pause the video and try this in the console because you all know the mantra. Practice is how JavaScript becomes clear. So in summary, today we learned about data types, type conversion and operators. So basically, these are the building blocks of JavaScript. Remember that. So if you like this video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, which motivates me to make more such videos. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.